Oh, sh!
%, 50%. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. 50%. 50%. G limit disengaged. 25%, 50%. 25, 50%. 30 seconds. Landing flaps. 25%, 50%, 0.
Don't do that.
50%. 30 seconds. Timer expired. Land immediately. Land immediately.
Flying counterclockwise or clockwise? Counterclockwise. Which way are we going?
0. 20, 50%. 50, 0.
Alright, and here we go.
With reverse full.
Come on.
Gear up. 50%. 'G limit disengaged. 50%.
Is he out of town?
1 minute.
Yeah, left or right.
Landing flaps.
The wind died down.
25%. 30, 0. 25%. 50%. 50, 0.
We could glue a magazine to it. That would help.
Gear up.
Oh, yeah.
50%. G limit disengaged.
Wow, that was not pretty.
That was my little phone one, so it's really, really light loaded there. Yep. It's doing all right.
Landing flaps.
Down pretty good, and not
25%.
they won't
20 seconds. 50%. 0. Brake reverse full. 50%. Gear up. 50%.
Oh, see, it got stuck.
50%. Time remaining 2 minutes.
Yeah, but I mean, look. Wait for Johnny to come by and then I'm gonna.
50%.
All right, I don't like that. It's pissing me off.
Speed brakes flaps 2. 25%. 0. 25%. 0.
Nice, Johnny.
No, oh yeah. Okay. Well, I caught him when they were coming by that. Okay. I see what you mean.
20. 0. 20. 0.
Rolls good. Yeah. Looks good on the landing strip. Gotta get a picture of it, Tammy, before she might go down.
How's it feel?
Looks good.
It's got plenty of power. It should stay in the air. How's your elevators?
That's hands off. It's got a little down to it, but not too bad. I'm good with it.
I wouldn't mess with it, yeah.
You can see it, shadow. Good.
Christ, you could see that next year.
Nice airplane. Wow. Sounds good in the air too. I love the sound of twins.
Ooh.
That's right landing gear.
Wasn't locked.
Yeah. We've got
50%. Keep gear up.
something that's
25. 50%.
The door's, no, the wheel's stuck this time. Now it's the front door. Tammy, go give me an F-22.
perfect.
No.
So you want an
You got
F-15?
an F
Good.
25%. 50%.
Look at that.
chopping away.
Uh. 50%. 25%. 50%. 0. Gear up. Time remaining 2 minutes. G limit disengaged. 50. 0.
Okay.
25%. 50%. 50%.
Looks good in here.
Landing flaps.
On this right now.
25%. 20 seconds. 50%. 0.
Who said that?
5%. Gear up.
Alright, take me off. That's right.
50%. Time remaining 2 minutes. G limit disengaged. 50%. 50%.
Beautiful action.
25%. 50%. Landing flaps. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. Reverse full.
Whoa.
Ah, you're trying to mow the grass.
Gear up. 25, 50%. 5, 50%.
Yeah, that's, remember I was telling you about heavier wing loading?
Yeah, that's an example there.
Away.
50%.
Yeah, I did a maneuver.
Having this attack.
50%.
6S 4000.
That's a true southerly wind.
50%. 50%. Time remaining 1 minute 33 seconds. 50%. 0.
Easy, girl. Yeehaw.
Percent. Gear up. 50%.
Better on top of the US Navy pushing off the side. Maybe keep flying on the side of the flight.
Percent.
For her.
50%.
Scrambled up, get it.
Time. 50%.
How do you do those with the aileron? If it's on this side and your fuel is on this side, how do you...
That's your rudder. Your aileron
On this side. Yeehaw!
$25. 50%.
Yeah, here it comes.
25, 50%. Gear down.
Oh man, come on.
I told you.
30 seconds. 50%. 0. 25%. 0. 25%.